Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening Music and making sure you're signed into the Apple ID you want to use. Once signed in, check Sync Library if you have Apple Music or iCloud Music Library. That determines whether files upload to iCloud. Now navigate Finder to the folder containing MP3, OCC, ALAC, or WAV files. With Music open and files visible, you're ready to import. Dragging files works, but we'll perform a controlled import next so the library stays organized. Choose File, then Import to add specific tracks, which gives you a predictable import flow and immediate metadata parsing. Alternatively, drag an entire folder into Music to import many files at once. That's faster, but check organization after. In Preferences, enable Copy to Music Media folder so files are stored with your library, preventing broken links later. Once imported, let Music analyze and update metadata. If Sync Library is active, give iCloud time to upload and reconcile duplicates across devices. After import, verify track titles, artists, year, and artwork so your library is searchable and playlists behave. If you want files on an iPhone or iPad, use Finder Device Sync or rely on Sync Library to push them across. One key troubleshooting tip: if tracks don't appear, quit Music, hold Option while reopening to choose a different library or rebuild the library database. Also ensure files aren't DRM protected or in an unsupported format, and restart Music if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.